What's up, guys? This is my XD 45 Springfield. I'm gonna show you how to disassemble it. First, you want to make sure it's unloaded. It's unloaded. Okay, and the disassembly, take magazine, everything like that out. Lock it back into place. This lever right here goes up, and it goes through this notch right here. That's how it gets up. And then you release it and press the trigger. You've already made sure it's safe, but you still want to press it in a safe direction. And then it slides right off. Oh. There's the recoil spring guide rod. Got some on my hands. You press in, pull it out. The barrel up and out. There you go, she is field strip disassembled. Push your barrel back in, push it back in place, put your recoil spring back in. Make sure everything's in there good. Make sure this is up, or it won't go back on. I don't think, but it won't work right anyway. Push it back into place. Oh, got my oil on it. Lock it in. Push that back down. Function check. Make sure. Oh, slippery! I got oil all in my hands. Function check. There you go. Disassembly. Thanks, guys.